Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your one-stop channel for making those tough purchasing decisions a whole lot easier. Today, we're diving into the sky-high world of drones with a face-off between the SOTAONE S350 and the Ford V4 mini foldable drone. Will the SOTAONE soar to victory, or will the Ford drone its way to the top? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about those cameras, because, let's be honest, if your drone can't capture your epic fails in 1080p, did they even happen? On the left, we have the SOTAONE S350 with its 1080p HD camera. It's like having a GoPro strapped to a mosquito. You get a 90 degrees manually adjustable angle, which means you can capture your neighbor's backyard barbecue from a safe distance without them knowing. Sorry, Karen. On the right, we have the Ford V4 mini foldable drone, also boasting a 1080p camera. But wait for it. This bad boy has an electric adjustable camera. That's right, folks, you can adjust the angle remotely, up to 90 degrees. It's like having a selfie stick that flies, perfect for those moments when you need an aerial view of you and your dog doing synchronized yoga. Namaste. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of flying these gadgets. The SOTAONE S350 is all about stability and ease of use. It's got altitude hold, which means it hovers like a pro, even if you're flying it after one too many cups of coffee. One key takeoff and landing, headless mode, and 3 speed settings. It's basically the drone equivalent of a self-driving car. Perfect for beginners, kids, and anyone who can't tell their left from their right. Meanwhile, the Ford V4 Mini is no slouch either. It's got optical flow positioning technology. Sounds fancy, right? It means this drone is as stable as your grandma's rocking chair. One key takeoffs, landing, 3 speed modes, and headless mode make it super beginner-friendly. Plus, it has an auto-follow function, so if you ever wanted a personal flying paparazzi, here you go. Let's talk about the fun stuff, the aerial stunts. The SOTAONE S350 is like the circus performer of drones. It can do 4-direction 3D flips, high-speed rotations, fixed-point circle fly, gesture control, voice control, gravity control, and even has a VR mode. Basically, it's like having a drone that's auditioning for America's Got Talent. Not to be outdone, the Ford V4 Mini also brings its A game. It can do 3D flips, trajectory flight, gravity control, and even has a gesture photo mode. And yes, it also has VR, but the cherry on top, it has an auto-follow function. So if you ever wanted to feel like a movie star with your own personal drone cameraman, now's your chance. Last but not least, let's talk about battery life and portability. The SOTAONE S350 comes with 2 rechargeable modular batteries, giving you up to 20 minutes of flight time. It's foldable, so you can easily fit it in your pocket. Just don't sit on it. Safety features include low power alarm and emergency stop, which is great if you have a knack for flying into walls. On the other hand, the Ford V4 Mini gives you a whopping 26 minutes of flight time with its 2 modular batteries. It's also foldable and comes with a carrying case. Plus, it's super drop resistant, perfect for those "oops, I dropped my drone again" moments. And yes, it has full guard protection to keep your fingers safe from those spinning propellers. According to Amazon reviews, the SOTAONE S350 is praised for its ease of use, durability, and suitability for beginners and kids. However, users noted its limited battery life and the need for manual camera adjustment. On the other hand, the Ford V4 mini foldable drone is commended for its beginner-friendly features, stable flight, and good camera quality. Nevertheless, some reviewers mentioned issues with durability and occasional malfunctions. So there you have it, folks. The SOTAONE S350 on the left and the Ford DRC V4 Mini on the right, two drones both ready to take your aerial adventures to new heights. Whether you're a beginner, a kid, or someone who just loves cool gadgets, these drones have something for everyone. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Till next time, keep flying high and stay smart. Product links are in the description.